These are from Sue and Dave and Katie and Anna.
Can't wait to see what's inside.
Oh, closed. Right.
Open it. Open it. Oh my God. Hey, he has it. Here, Daddy. Whoa, what is this one?
Whoa! Look at the shirt, buddy. Look at
Patrick, let's see what's on the shirt. Hold it up. Hold it up so Daddy can see it.
Robot!
Let's see. Hold it up so I can see it. Whoa!
Robot! Which one's for me? Where's another name that has my name? Open it. It's for Rachel. Hey Rachel,
It's a
this one's
puzzle.
for you.
No, I think that's for Mommy and Daddy, isn't it?